There are many benefits to becoming a Jamaican citizen. Some of these include working in Jamaica without a work permit, acquiring a Jamaican passport, and voting in general and local government elections. There are 6 categories under which you may apply: citizenship by descent, citizenship by marriage, registration of Commonwealth nationals, naturalization, registration of minors, citizenship in case of doubt, restoration of citizenship. Find out more about how to become a Jamaican citizen by visiting our website www.pica.gov.jm. PICA, securing our borders, safeguarding our sovereignty.